everybody! I cannot even tell you how excited I am for today's video. My name is Randa from Randa Diamond Paints, and today I have... Let me show you. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4 Diamond Art Club kits. If you can't see and you don't recognize this packaging, I'm gonna split them all into separate videos because there's no way I am unboxing 4 kits in one video. That's just not happening. Hello everybody and welcome back to more unboxing. This is my 4th package of the day. I did get 4 packages in the mail today, all Diamond Art Club kits, so I've unboxed 3 of them already. If you have not seen them, it's Pink Mermaid by Chiba Mika Art, Flight of the Fireflies by Randall Spangler, and then Rounding Up the Dust Bunnies by Randall Spangler. Those 3 I knew were coming. I am not 100% sure what this kit is. I've ordered, 10 plus kits from them in the past few weeks, so I don't remember which one shipped out. So we're gonna find out together. Are you excited? Because I am. Again, if you haven't seen those other 3 videos, go check those out. But this is the last unboxing for today. So let's open up this box. I am going to open this on camera. If you do not care, go ahead and skip forward, but I like seeing them open the box for unboxings. I think it's part of the experience. So let's open this baby up. There we go, cut into it. Make sure that it's not, okay, it is upside down. I'm gonna shove that packing slip deep in there so I don't see it. This is the back, okay. And then over there, I feel like I have an idea for what this kit might be, but I don't remember. Are you guys ready to see? Because I sure as heck am. I have no idea which kit this is. Let's see. You ready? Are you ready? Oh, I knew it! Oh my god! Okay, I'm sorry. No more child squealing from me. Look! This is Time to Spare by Sarah Mustafa. Oh, guys, look at her. This is a round drill kit. You can tell because of the pink circle and the fact that it says round diamonds on it. This is a 56 by 69, which is quite a really nice size. And if you don't know, this is based off of the movie Tangled. Oh my god, I just thought she was so gorgeous. I had to have it. Are you guys ready to get into this kit? I'm so excited. Let's get this cellophane off. I thought that it might be this kit, but I wasn't because I thought that I had seen it ship out, but I wasn't 100% sure. Whee! But I am so excited this kit is here because I am so excited for it. I know, take a shot every time I say excited or something because that's a good drinking game right there. Let's see. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look. This box is huge. All right, let's break into this and get an actual look at the canvas instead of just staring at the picture on the outside. Come on, box. There we go. All right. Ta-da! Diamond Art Club. Let's dump the contents out. There we go. Alrighty. So, you get your little sticker. It's the, it has the, I can't talk. I've done 4 of these unboxings now. I literally can't talk. I'm filming these back to back to back, so I cannot speak anymore. This is Time to Spare by Sarah Mustafa. You have the date, the artist that it's licensed by, a little schematic picture of it, and then the size and shape of the diamonds. I put these on the outside of my... Sorry, I got a text and now I can't talk. I put these on the outside of my storage containers because, beautiful organization method, am I right? But you can also put these in your logbook. You can put them on the box to stash them away with the rest of your kits, whatever works right for you. I'm going to put this on the outside of my storage container. And then this is the toolkit that comes with it. This is a round toolkit because this is a round drill kit, in case I didn't already say that. The only difference between the round toolkit and the square toolkit is that the square comes with pointy tweezers, so these ones do not. And I have unboxed the toolkit in the other 3 videos, so if you've already seen those, go ahead and skip ahead, but I am going to really quickly unbox the toolkit just in case you haven't ever seen it before and you're curious. So it comes with a blue pen with a little single placer. A little clear white tray with a spout. A little grippy for your pen to make it more comfortable. Some baggies. You can work straight out of the baggies if that's how you choose, but I like to use these for if I have a lot of one color and it doesn't all fit in my storage container, that I'll put them in these, I'll put the extra drills in these little baggies and then label them so that when my storage container empties, I can fill them back up. Very useful. And then it comes with a little skinny white 4-placer. So you can tell it's a 4-placer. There it is, because there is a little number 4 on the side. I don't know if it's going to focus and if you can see it, but there is a tiny little number 4, and that's how you can tell. You stick that on the end of your pen, and then you put the grippy on, and voila. The 4-placer is my favorite placer, so I love that that's what comes in these kits because I run through 4-placers quite often. So the other day I actually ordered a pack of 30 skinny 4-placers because I need that many in my life. And then you get 2 plates of the pink heart wax from Diamond Art Club. That is actually a really good wax compared to like the cheap little squares that you get with the cheap little kits. So this is a great, it's not a wax alternative, but it's an alternative wax to the cheaper kind if you don't like blue tack or anything like that. So I am going to put all of the toolkit contents to the side and put them away later. And let's get into this canvas. All right. Oh my God, you guys. I cannot wait to see her. I cannot wait to see her. All right, slide that out. And then that's the bottom. So let's unroll it this way. Oh my God. Just look at those colors. Oh my God, you guys. Oh, oops, sorry to bump you. Oh my goodness. Move those to the side for a second. This is huge. I cannot fit it in frame. So we're gonna be sliding like this. Look at her dress. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I know, so you can't tell just from looking at a square kit what it's gonna look like at the end because the background and stuff. So her face does look a little bit nightmare fuel at the moment, but it's gonna look beautiful when it's done. Look at her hand reaching up and the little, if you've seen the movies, you recognize, or if you've seen the movie, you recognize this little lantern in the background. So beautiful. And there's some over here in the corner, there's some books stacked up, and the colors in her dress and of her hair, oh, it's just so gorgeous. So gorgeous. This that came in the came wrapped inside the canvas is your little sticker inventory sheet. It comes with the name of the piece and the artist, a start and end date slot, you can put that, and then another picture of a bigger like schematic of the actual piece. Look at how beautiful she is, you guys. Do you understand why I could not stand not getting this kit? I was actually, when I went to purchase it, I was trying really hard to not. I was trying to tell myself, you've bought so many kits, stop it, you don't need it. And then the next day I went and looked at the website again and it was still in stock, and I was like, nope, I have to have her. I have to. So it also gives you some details on the bottom, the size, and the fact that it's round. These are the pre-cut sticker labels that are new to Diamond Art Club. I have heard they are a little less sticky than the other ones though, so we'll see how that goes. This kit has 56 colors in it, which is crazy, and 2 ABs, 129 and 124. You can tell the ABs in a kit because, at least with Diamond Art Club, if it's DMC number 150 or below, that is, or I think it's just below 150, then that means that it is a AB. And if you don't know, an AB is just a normal drill, but it has a little iridescent coating on it so that it sparkles a little brighter, and it also reflects light off of the other diamonds around it once it's on the canvas, so it makes everything shine brighter as well. Just a little lowdown on that. So that's your little inventory sheet. And then it comes with a step-by-step instructions. I have never looked at this except for the fact that there is a coupon code in there. I learned everything that I know about diamond painting from YouTube videos, and I suggest you do the same. So this is going away from my life. Oh, guys, look at those colors. It is pink and purple and yellow and brown central. That's like all the colors that are in here. That's going to be so beautiful. If you store your canvas separately from your drills, it has a little sticker on there so that you know which drills go with which canvas. And then I'm going to open these real quick and we're going to take a quick look. So give me just a second. All right, you guys, I am not going to fully unwrap these because I want to be able to put them back in the bag and back in the box until I'm ready to actually kit up and work on it. But oh my God, you guys, look at those. Look at those. This is the first kit that I've unboxed today that doesn't have 141 in it, which is a white AB. So I am so intrigued to see what the ABs are. You've got some really beautiful purples and pinks, and then some browns and more pinks, and this beautiful golden yellow color. You've got some more browns, pinks and browns, pinks and browns. You've got a dark, what color is that? Is that, no, I don't think that's 939. No, it's not. It's 823, a dark, like navy blue. You've got some orange, some sort of more bright orange. Look at that coral color, you guys. Beautiful. Some white. Oh, I found our first AV. We'll get to it in a second. Brown and more orange. And then this is our first AB. This is a pink AB 124. Can you guys see it? Can you? Yes, look at her. Do you see how she just sparkles a little bit extra? God, she's going to be so beautiful. So 124, that is symbol number 1. It is a pink AB. Oh, you got a little hitchhiker floating around in there where he don't belong. Some beautiful dark purples, 550, which I believe is Rachel Ray's favorite DMC color. So gorgeous. More coral, and then this like dark red is really beautiful. This kind of like pukey brown color. Oh my God, you guys, this is my favorite DMC color, my favorite AB. Look, wait, there we go. Look at her. This is DMC number 129, which is a pale yellow AB. If this does not go sprinkled throughout her hair, I don't know where else it would be. But look, isn't that gorgeous? Ooh, look at this like salmon color. I like that. It's not salmon. It's like a peach. So beautiful. Love it. All right, those are our ABs and those are our drills. Pinks, browns, purples, yellows. That is the gist of this kit. There are so many drills, by the way. wrap her back up nice and tight. Look how beautiful. All right, let's see where those ABs are. So like I said, symbol number 1 is our pink AB and symbol number 2 is our yellow AB. So yes, I was right. You can see 2. Symbol number 2, the yellow AB, is sprinkled through her. Oh, you cannot see. I am so sorry. It's sprinkled through her hair up here and down this way. Let's see. You can see it sprinkled through her hair in certain strands over here, some right here around her face, and then around here in her hair as well. Also, this book here in the corner has a ton of that yellow AB in it. I guess that book is special and sparkly. I don't know, because the rest of them are just brown and this one's like glowing. Love it. So all the way down through her hair there is, sorry for the interruption, I got a phone call and it stopped recording. So all throughout her bodice here, and then all sprinkled through the skirt of her dress is symbol number something. 1. Symbol number 1, which is the pink AB. It's all sprinkled through her dress, which I am obsessed with. Let's see if it's anywhere else on the canvas. You see a little bit sprinkled up here in her sleeves, just a teensers. And then I think that's it. I was kind of hoping there'd be some in the lantern up here, but I do not see any in there. So it looks like it is just sprinkled throughout the midst of her dress, which still is like having ABs in her hair and her dress. It's really gonna make her pop. And obviously she's the focal point. So I love that. I think this kit is so beautiful. I don't see, the symbols look extremely clear and easy to tell apart. I don't see any symbols that are going to confuse me or anything of that nature. The edges of this kit the canvas are scalloped, so you're not going to get any fraying, and this canvas wanted to lay flat like immediately. So there are no rivers, there are no nothing. Everything is super high quality and beautiful, and I am in love with her. You will see her on my channel. Obviously, I will do a post review when I'm done with her. You'll probably see her in some whipping chats. So fun, am I right? I cannot wait to see what she looks like finished so that she looks a little less like Nightmare Fuel, but I think she's going to be gorgeous when it is all said and done. As far as I'm concerned, this kit is sold out at the moment, but you can sign up on the page where this kit is listed. You can sign up to be part of their email list where they will send you an email when it's back into stock. I will obviously link this kit down below because gorgeous, and you should get your hands on it if at all possible. Oh, I love her so much. All right, if you haven't already, go check out my other 3 unboxings. They should have been posted within the past few days if this is the first one of them that you're seeing, and this is my last unboxing for the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching these. If you've watched all of them, you're the real MVP, because I had so much fun opening them, and if you guys had so much fun watching them, that's gonna make me so happy. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Make sure to like this video and subscribe if you liked what you saw today and you want to see more videos like this. And like I said, go check out those other unboxings if you haven't already. I will do post reviews on all of them. I will do the whole 9. So you will definitely get to see more of these kits and more of me. So if you want, go subscribe and... Lord have mercy, I keep getting interrupted. Go subscribe and hit the bell notification if you want to see more so that you know when I post my next videos. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye!